Hello everyone, glad you're joining us for another SAT prep video. Today, I'll continue with the SAT Math series. So just letting you know that from now on, we'll be doing Math Mondays, so be on the lookout for videos every Monday. We're still working on getting reading and writing prep videos up, but if you need instant help, head over to our website to take advantage of our free tutoring services. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today we'll be going over solving linear equations. So a linear equation is an equation where each term is either a constant or the product of a constant in addition to get to the first power of the variable. So in this equation, x is the variable and 5 is a constant. So let's do some example questions. So if x over y is equal to 8, what is the value of 3y over x? So here we see that x over y equals 8, and here we see y in the numerator and x in the denominator. So here we'll have to get the inverse of that, and so let me get my pen so we can work through that. Okay, so y over x must equal 1 over 8, which, as we previously learned, that's how you get the inverse. So, but we see that it's asking us for 3y, so we'd have to multiply the numerator by 3. So our answer would be 3 over 8. Alright, next problem. If xy minus 22 equals x minus 1 and x equals to 3, what is the value of x plus y? So it's given that x is 3, so 3y minus 22 is equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, and then we have to add the 22 here, so we're left with 24 is equal to 3y, and y should be equal to 8 because you divide 3 on both sides, so here you're left with y, and here you're left with 24 over 3, which is equal to 8, our answer. Alright, so let's move on. Solving a linear equation using two operations. So remember the order using PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A is addition, S is subtraction. So that's the order you should always solve an equation. Alright, so to isolate a variable in a linear equation, it may be necessary to add or subtract and then to multiply or divide. So if an equation contains parentheses, remove them by multiplying each term inside the parentheses by the term outside the parentheses. So it's basically distributive property. So let's see our example down here. So let me get some more space. Right. Okay, so let's do this. 7 over 3 times x plus 9 over 28 minus 3 equals 17. So as I said, we first do the distributive property. So we multiply 7 over 3 by x, then 7 over 3 by 9 over 28. So we get 7 over 3x plus 7 over 3 times 9 over 28 is equal to 20. Because we add 3 on both sides, then it would be 17 plus 3, and our answer would be 20. So here we can already start simplifying. We know that 9 over 3 is 3, so we can cross this out, and we're left with 3 right here. And we know that 28 over 7 is 4, so that means 7 over 28 is 1 over 4. So we get rid of that 7, and get rid of that 28, and we put 4 here. So we're left with 7 over 3 x plus 3 over 4 is equal to 20. We know that 20 is equal to 20 over 4. 80 over 4. So 20 is equal to 80 over 4. So we can subtract 3 over 4 from both sides, and we'll have 7 over 3 x is equal to 80 over 4 minus 3 over 4. Okay, and 80 minus 3 is 77 over 4 is equal to 7 over 3x. It's first space. Okay, so what we do next is multiply both sides by 3 and then 7, and then we'll get x. We'd get 77 over 4 times 3 over 7, and that should give us our answer. But here we can already simplify further. We know that 77 over 7 is 11, but 11 times 7 is 77, so we can cross that out, and we're left with 11 here. So we're left with 11 times 3, which is 33, over 4, and that is our answer. Alright, let's now move on to the challenge problem of the day. Okay, so this is a challenge problem, so I'll leave it up to you. Just solve it and leave your answers in the comments, and I'll respond to you and let you know if you're correct. And if not, I could always do a one-on-one lesson of how to get it correct. So that is it for today. Thanks for joining us. The next video will be up next Monday, so please make sure to check that out. And have a great day.